In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change button sizes in Shopify. To follow along, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. Once you're in, start on your main Shopify dashboard. This is the home screen where you can see your orders, products, and other store information. From here, we're going to head into the area that controls how your storefront looks. On the left-hand side, look for the option labeled Online Store and click on it. This takes you to the Themes section, where you can manage how your store appears to customers. You should see your current live theme at the top of the page. Next to your live theme, you'll see a button that usually says Customize, and nearby, an icon with 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots. A small drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Edit Code. This will open the code editor for your theme. In the list of theme files on the left, find your active theme. For example, a theme like Dawn. Make sure that theme is selected. Under that theme, look for the Layout folder and click it to expand. Inside the Layout folder, click on the file called Theme Liquid. This is the main layout file that loads across your store. Now we're going to quickly find the right place to add our custom code. Inside the theme.liquid file, press Ctrl and F on your keyboard, or Command and F if you're on a Mac. In the search box that appears, type head so we can jump straight to the closing head tag. You should see the line that contains a made. Click near that line and create a blank space directly above it. This empty space is where the button size code is going to go, so keep your cursor there. Next, go to the link provided in the video description to retrieve the pre-written code. Open that link, then copy all of the code you see there. Once it's copied, return to your Shopify Code Editor tab. With your cursor still in the blank space above the closing head tag, paste the code you just copied. Inside that code, you'll see a value set to 50%. This controls the maximum button size. You can adjust this number to make your buttons larger or smaller. For example, 50% is a moderate size and 100% is the largest allowed by the setup. Choose a value that fits your design and change it accordingly. When you're happy with the value you've chosen, go to the top right of the code editor and click Save. After it saves, preview your store to check that your button sizes look the way you want.